was Owen, and he wanted me to kill his mother. When I asked him why, he said because he didn't like her. When I asked him why me, he said it was my idea. I was teaching college. Hello.
Aloha.
Owen, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you?
I'm in Topanga Canyon. I just killed Beth.
What?
Nah, I'm only kidding. Look out your window.
You little couch potato. Huh? Hi, Owen.
Hi, Larry.
Owen, come on up.
Okay.
I missed you.
I missed you, too. It's been a year.
Wow, you look terrific.
Thank you. Thank you. So do you.
Well, thanks. How's Mama?
Dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well.
Did you,
No. No. Natural causes.
That's good.
Well, I see that you're writing.
Yeah, you know, I started writing the day I got out of the hospital, and I haven't stopped, Owen. I'm half a paragraph away from finishing my book. I am so excited.
That's great.
Yeah, it's really something.
Well, you know what they say.
A writer writes always.
Yeah, well, look, I won't keep you from it. I just came by to say hello.
Owen, you just got here.
Well, actually, I got to catch a plane. I'm going to New York because I wrote a book.
What?
Yeah, and it's going to be on the stands in 2 days.
Wait a second. You wrote a book?
Yeah.
And it's going to be published?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
and that's unbelievable.
Yeah, published. And it's called Momma and Owen and Owen's friend Larry. And it's all about you and me and Momma and our experiences together. What's your book about?
You wrote a book called Momma and Owen's friend Larry?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's all about our experiences together. Slut!
Wait,
You
are you
slut!
angry with me?
I don't like you,
Why,
Owen.
you want me to leave?
No, I want you dead in hell!
I can't breathe.
That's because I'm choking you, you moron.
Here. Here, I want you to have this.
What is this?
That's my book.
What is this? You wrote a pop-up book.
Yeah. Yeah. See? Here's where we meet in class. Pull that tab. See? And this is you and me and Beth on the choo-choo. Toot toot. And here's where you meet Momma. Ooh. See her cane? See? Beth. And these are my coins. See my coins?
It's your coin collection.
And here's, see, instead of you chucking her off a train, we go on a picnic together.
What do? Devil egg her to death?
Oh, no, there's no death.
There's no death?
No, this is a kid's book.
You wrote a pop-up book.
Yeah.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, and here's the best part. We all go on vacation in Hawaii. You, and me, and Beth.
Hate makes you impotent. Love makes you crazy. Somewhere in between you can survive. It gets better every time I read it.
Thank you.
Except for the last line.
Beg your goddamn pardon.
Hate makes you impotent, love makes you crazy. Somewhere in the middle you can survive.
Yeah.
It's cryptic.
Cryptic, he says.
That's right, cryptic.
Cryptic. Watch this, Beth. Have you ever seen a weeble snorkel? Look at him.
You know, actually, I find it a little confusing.
Are you kidding me?
Just that last line.
Just the last line.
Yeah.
This is great. So you and Sancho Panza agree on this. I can't believe this. You're taking criticism from somebody who had his book signing at Toys R Us. You're really agreeing with him?
He's got a point.
He's got a point.
Yeah.
I'm a Book of the Month Club alternate. on the bestseller list for 6 weeks. And with his book, you get a free balloon. I don't understand it.
He's entitled to his opinion.
I know he's entitled to his opinion, but look at him. He's a buoy with hair. Keep going out a little further, Owen. Maybe somebody will harpoon you.